Well, hello team. We're wrapping up our week at Singapore Airshow 2018. It's been a fantastic week yet again. We've had some great interaction with customers, both existing and prospective. We've had some really good interviews also with the media, getting our messages across. We've had some tremendous turnout at both our aircraft, the Air Baltic CF300 as well as the Philippine Airlines Q400. And also we've had an opportunity to spread around our message, our market forecast for the region, for Asia. It's a fantastic region for us and great opportunity. We've been able to start to spread that message around. So there we go, great week. I'm going to hand it over to the rest of the team who picked up some really good shots throughout the week, and hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
All right, now I'm in charge.